All right, welcome to the Green Grotto Caves. Oh boy. Here we go. I like a little, a little Keurig to get you going in the morning, and some pretty fantastic views with the peace and quiet of most of these children still asleep. We actually had a little thunderstorm this morning, which was nice to hear from the comfort of the air-conditioned inside room. But it's nice and cool this morning, which is a good thing because I discussed with the kids. I know originally we had said we're not going anywhere. We're standing our ground. In this case, we're sitting our ground. We're not gonna move. We're not gonna budge. But we had quite the day in the pool yesterday. The kids had a lot of fun with that, and I'm sure they'll be back there today. I also did some research and found that the caves are 20 minutes away, and so I think we're going to look about going to the caves. One second. Good morning.
Morning.
Did you stay up late partying again? Just a little? And then you slept?
No,
Oh, the show. What show was that?
So with the bear.
The show with the bear.
And I wonder where I'm gone.
Oh. But last night, did you stay up late after we went to bed?
No.
Cool. You remember where we're going to go today?
Do not say that. I'm
Going to the caves. You ever been to the caves? No? Alright. We're going to the caves today. Right?
kids.
He's challenging me. I need to look this up. Really? I need to look up the actual name? Hold up. Dude, it is the Green Grotto Caves. They're probably green. And there may be some grotto. I don't want to spoil all the surprises. We're going to find out today when we go. We're going to read some signs, see some sights. And the nice thing is they have a very steep discount for locals. And so thankfully I have a copy of our passports on file, meaning like on the phone, ready to go. But
What is this?
dude, you got to ask the other kids. I've never been, but supposedly they've gone with school, but I've never been. So we're gonna go. We're gonna find out. Sonia's never been either. They open at 9. It's almost 8.
I'm gonna go.
You haven't been either? All right. Well, remember the caves we went to in the DR?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, I think it's going to be kind of like the caves in the DR, except I thought there was bats and more water. I don't know. We're gonna find out. I'm not gonna search any YouTube videos up. We're gonna be surprised. But for locals, rather than like the $20 price tag for adults, it's 1,000 Jamaican, and I think 500 for kids. So I didn't realize it was that affordable for the local fanfare. So we're gonna get some breakfast and then we're gonna go, right?
What do we do for breakfast?
Well, we got cornflakes, we have eggs, we have bulla, we have ramen, we have air pie. Ooh, lots of air pie. And water, like unlimited supply of water. Dude, free refills on water. Can you believe that?
Not that many. I just brought out didn't give me.
Last night I asked you for some peace and quiet, but you didn't give me. And you know it's my favorite.
And I try this coffee.
Yeah, that's my coffee. Nice day. All right.
Every morning, every evening.
Mm-mm.
Coffee, I drink.
Actually, I don't drink coffee after 4 because then I'll be up late, and I don't want to be up late. So every afternoon. Ready to go eat some breakfast? All right.
I will not cook.
We've got some eggs. We've got some bulla. We've got some cornflakes.
Else.
What else? How about you go look, sir, without waking up everybody? Secret mission. Raid the fridge. Go check it out.
Put me through the Lord.
Yeah, you are pretty loud. We're gonna figure it out. Ready? See the pool? Looks nice.
Can I go swim?
Oh boy, we're going to the caves first, and then we'll come back and swim. All right, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Oh. You good? Okay, let's get some breakfast. Get in while you can, man. back in the kitchen. We've got a new favorite. And I'm not just talking Sonia. She's an old classic favorite. I almost said old, but I said classic. See what I did there? While she's going to town on this thing, yeah, this is our new Jamaica Joe, product of Jamaica. Authentic hot pepper jelly. Back in Kauai, we made some pepper jelly with the class that I had, and it's really cool to get to see. Made with cane sugar, water, some pectin, cane vinegar. Didn't even know that. Diced sweet peppers, and pureed Scotch bonnet pepper. It's sweet. It's spicy. I won't make any presumable implications on myself that compare it to anybody around me, but it's sweet and spicy. Sonia's speechless because she likes it. You gonna be alright? It might be poisonous. Sure.
But me not get on bread. Now fried egg. You want to take my one I have your one up there, so? Oh, you want to buy it?
No.
How you do? See, try it.
Is that okay? Do you mind? It's sweet and spicy.
No terror, thanks.
It's good though. Jamaica Joe. You guys need a sponsor. Talk to us, cause don't mind him. He's also sweet and spicy. Mostly sweet. That's wow. Those moments in life you're like, I think they're gonna get it. I think they're gonna be able to figure out breakfast on their own. And you watch from a safe distance and you recognize where the fire extinguisher is. It may just be ramen and cornflakes, but
No, it's a bunch.
it's a start. Slowly but surely. Junior, you're like the only person I know that knows how to burn water, dude. Like, sweet. You're doing great, Junior. It's almost ready. Good morning, sir. You sleep all right? Did you party last night? Stay up late? Did you have fun? Ready for breakfast? Okay, good talk. Come on, Andy. You got it. Almost there. Almost there. Almost there. Almost there. Almost there. Nice. You good? Almost, Junior. Come on, you can do it. It's hot. Be careful. 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 And nice. All right, we're playing the fun game of who is most responsible. I'll be your host. We're starring Josh, first one in the car. Mr. Responsible number one. Hi, thank you, Josh, for being here. I appreciate you getting here in a relatively, I don't want to say quick fashion, but in a relatively quick fashion. Oh, and second place, Maris, 9:36 a.m. joining the party. Where's everybody else? No idea. So you've been to the caves before, right?
Yes.
And help me out. What are we going to experience in this cave adventure?
Yeah, go through a small hole.
I gotta go through a small hole.
Yes.
Have you seen me? I'm gonna fit. I don't like
yes,
that hesitation.
One, and I'm a fat teacher them.
She made it through, or he made it through? Okay, so I got a chance. All right. We're going through a hole.
And one river go there.
Oh.
When them all say people usually go there, and one of them is dead, there. And then face I go dip on the wall, and them all lock off the light.
Okay.
And you go see face on the wall.
This sounds like a great time, yeah. Definitely family fun for all ages.
Like, and you go come out of the cave, go out in the cave, go down one part, so that go look like water there inside, and you walk on the part.
Okay. We'll see if that actually happens, and maybe we'll actually get out of here soon. The V stands for visitor. Okay, according to Google Legend, all we got to do is go on the road and it'll be on the left in about 15-20 minutes. Any questions?
No.
So, we are going to look for the sign. I'm going to look for Mars to sit.
Mars,
seats and belts, and then we out of here. No questions? Going once?
No,
Going
Christian.
Twice?
No, Christian.
Off to the grotto. Oh, we're not going to. Josh, you gotta shut that door. Reshut the door.
This?
Yes, the door. And shut. And we're gonna get there. Thankfully we're not with a school bus. I think we're gonna get in no time. All right, welcome to the Green Grotto Caves. Oh boy. Here we go. You ready? We're ready. Welcome to... Ooh, that's a lot of reading to do, boys. Boy! All right. That was a bit more extensive of a cave system than I had originally anticipated.
You want me like you want a Dominican Republic though. Only thing, this one is not man-made.
The one in the... No, what?
The one in Dominican Republic is not man-made neither.
No.
The only so step them there.
Well, they add...
They put steps so people could go down. Oh, okay.
So, fun fact, that used to be like a club. They used to have like a part...
A slavery club, or they have...
Nice.
No,
A slavery club?
people, they no say from in 18s, what 19s,
Well,
whatever stuff, 70.
Yes.
That I was just a kid. Baby. Not a kid.
Anyway, yeah, like in the 60s, supposedly
well-
it was like a bar, like a nightclub, like a disco. That's why they had all the platforms. I'm sure hundreds of years before that, it might have been something different. But yeah, there was like a performance stage.
Bar and grill.
Yeah, and they used to have a boat tour there, but they recognized that all of the human interaction did not do so great for the natural cave environment. What was your guys' favorite part?
When the light turn off.
When the
Yeah,
light
when the
turns
light
off?
turn
Yeah,
off.
play.
Yes, and
Yeah,
the
we
light
played
turn off.
they've been practicing hide and go seek at the condo, but yeah, I think the hide and go seek in that cave would be
More different.
a bit
from-
more challenging. Yeah.
You ain't gonna find nobody.
Yeah.
That's why I got in a corner and
That was funny.
Me never friend, come shine me like funny.
no, my
Yeah.
friend don't have never see him.
I was
You
behind
see-
Josh, and Josh had the
The one
legs,
time me
was
feel
walk
once in a
past
drop
him.
on my foot.
Him. That was
double
funny.
tree wall, Craig did it.
Craig
Me say
never.
me see one hat. And the man say, and nobody I want wool. And they were telling me say one wool. And me say, me know about somebody did it.
Someone's
and then me
gonna.
say, let me see red hat and then me say,
Somebody
Craig.
say about her. Me dey straight, me dey go turn back, you know.
And
Yeah.
then that on back, I'm see a Craig. Come on, say they want red hat.
Everybody got a
Because
coin.
here, man,
Yeah,
I would
that was fun.
Everybody made a wish in the.
that
I don't want to
Yes.
call it a wishing well. The wishing hole. Woo. Mars, you make a wish?
Mark.
me wish I from Tangadon Market.
Oh boy. Wishing
You
for
know,
good
I have
luck.
tell a wish.
Oh yeah, you can't say your wish out loud, Junior. Now it's not gonna come true. Oh man. Oh well. Yeah, and definitely I will say, don't come during the peak school season because normally they have a bunch of school kids and tours, I imagine. But yeah, come in the summer. It's a little warm. It's
So
a little
weird.
little
Christian.
humid. Yeah.
So the cave, I'm comparing Jamaica Cave
Oh boy, here
to
we go.
Dominican Republic. So this one is shorter than the one in Dominican Republic, you know?
Shorter?
Yes.
I think this one's longer. That one's just steeper.
I don't know. Dominican Republic one have a lot of steps to go down and come back up.
Right, but
And
this
then-
one is more
Down.
lateral. Like you get. There's a lot of cave to walk into. The
Yeah,
DR, it's
yeah.
still mostly full of water. So
Yeah. Well, okay.
Sonia's global trend jet setter here is just like
Only-
let me compare
Only thing,
caves.
I never see rat bat up there, but I see rat bat here.
Right.
So it's
Yeah.
two different,
I got some
yeah.
pictures. They're
And then
real.
when you turn off the light, it come like you see the bat. Them.
I want somebody better up in I.
They never see when you turn off the light back and then you're looking at water, you see bat. They instead you look up in the ceiling and see bat. It's like you see black part where like a the bat them lay down.
See a Batman.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh okay. Well, I'm amazed at how clear the water is. It actually reflects the
Movie.
Yeah.
ceiling. That's pretty
Uh-huh.
interesting. How the water reflects the
Who
ceiling.
dance
Yeah.
that movie, did they?
Oh, 007, James Bond
James Bond
was filmed there. The shark scene, supposedly.
We can watch it when we go.
I'll have to find the YouTube clip. Yeah. All right. That was the Green Grotto Caves.
And run away.
And now we're gonna run away.
Cave, yeah. So last one we're going to is the Green Grotto Cave. This one is the runaway. The first one, runaway cave.
Yeah, good. Andre,
yeah,
the
I
only
can't-
one to get the trivia question right.
Yeah, none of the rest of kids never. I'm like,
Good job, Andre.
he was paying attention.
I didn't even know the answer. All right, let's head back. All right, pass them out, pass them up, pass them up, pass them out. Yeah, we didn't get very far. All the way to Salem, Freshco Supermarket, where drinks and snacks abound. What cranberry water? You're gonna need it.
Minute Man.
Thank you. Hey-o. Hey-o. I want Coke Zero, please.
So left me.
Thank you. All right. Oh, look what I got, bestie. Your bestie. You want it?
Minute Man.
Yes.
White
Yeah,
chocolate.
bestie.
You are for now.
Mine.
See how long it lasts.
Minute Man.
Is there another coconut?
Yeah.
But me not pull my one yet.
No. Well, then why are you pulling mine?
Because you give it to me.
What do I get? What do I get?
No, this are yours.
Oh, we're both besties. Oh. Okay, put that back. Yeah. we're going back. Well, it's pool time. When I mean pool time, I mean like 1:30 in the afternoon. Brightest, sunniest part of the day. Thankfully, we have umbrellas to keep us company. And we're gonna get in eventually. Right? Right. Yeah. We're just enjoying the heat. Because it's a hot one. It's funny, like the caves were humid but cool, and the sun is hot and dry. We can't win either way. But either way, it's a pool time afternoon. You ready? Mars, you ready? You ready? You ready? Who's ready? What's up, man? What? You're threatening me? Are you threatening me? You're not threatening me? I'm not using that again until you come in the water. What if I take it up and use it, huh? Yeah. Oh, all right. I guess we'll both get one. All right. Give me a few minutes, and I'll. Oh yeah, go sneak it. Sneak attack. Oh, put them together. Quick. All right. All right. When I get in, we'll both have one. You want to set that next to the other one?
Huh?
Set that next to the other one, and then when I get in, we'll both have one. You're not being very sneaky, dude. I think they can see you.
Hey.
Oh.
Yay.
Oh. Hey. What? I don't know what happened. We're just. Yeah.
Why did I tell you to come out?
Man, today's episode also not sponsored. Mistro SBS 50, supposedly for kids, but works for adults too. Came from the DR, and I bought like 4 bottles of it, and I like it. If I didn't like it, I wouldn't be telling you about it. But not only is it SPF 50, it's also like not very greasy, unlike most of the sunscreens that I've become accustomed to from the US. Yeah, it goes on nice. Now I have to get in the water. I mean, I get to. I'm coming! In the water. Yay! Yeah. Where are you going, man? I'm getting in. Get in. I'm coming. Oi. Are you in? Yeah? Well, I'm not. Oh, I'm sitting down with you. I'm chilling. No, I'm sitting. I'm chilling. Okay. What's up? Okay, I found my corner. All right, wake me up when it's over. I mean, when you guys are ready. See you guys on the other side.
Bye.
Goodbye.
Darling, come here.
All right, sir. What's the #1 rule in the pool? Don't drink the water.
Bye.
No.
Bye.
Where are you going? I thought we were having a talk. Oh, you're going in.
You having a talk?
I thought so.
Okay, good luck with that
You
one.
left me. Okay. Kid actors are so difficult to work with. Right, Andre? All right, we'll see. I'll stay here. I'll watch. Bye.
Video me.
I'm videoing right now. You coming? You good? Oh, watch your head, dude. Watch your head. Whoa, you good? How's it? You're a merman? Okay, bye. Bye.
Okay. They just talked to you a while ago because
You're a merman, alright. That's an interesting looking merman, dude. Watch your head. Okay.
doing that really?
You good? Don't drink the water, dude. Yeah. Okay. Hey, yo, sir. What's going on? Bye. Where you going? You're going to your father's yard? Oh, okay.
You're not going there one.
Okay. You're going again.
Okay. Yo, hold on, me.
All right, Joe, what do we got?
So water.
So water. Ooh. It's looking good. I'll lift the pot and reveal the surprise. Hey. So chicken.
Yeah.
I know, bro. You know when you hear like yells from the bedroom and you're like, gotta go investigate. What?
Yeah, split man. Me not. Yeah, split.
Where?
Why
What
yeah,
happened? Hello? What happened?
Him licky it.
No way. Oh, he'll be fine. Shake it off, Junior. Shake it off. Ladies and gentlemen, I feel like they were romping and he decided that his head was worthy of the headstone.
Were you guys playing?
I feel like we're not playing and he's gonna lean back.
Mm-hmm.
We are book.
You hear a boof?
Yeah, man, probably.
Okay,
Yeah,
lessons
probably
are gonna be
fine.
learned. Kids. I don't know. We are not perfect. Oh, hold on. There will be dumplings. And kids playing with pillows. The soothing sounds of Sonia lecturing in the background is... She's like, when my kids were your age. It's going well. Yeah. All right. What are you guys doing? You're playing bad car?
Yeah.
Who taught you how to drive, dude?
What?
Who taught you how to drive?
Nadia.
You're not... Dave taught you how to drive? Can I see? Okay, you're not moving. You gotta hit the gas, buddy.
P.
Yes, that's right. Oh, you hit... Okay. Stay on the road, dude. Man, they don't make games like they used to. Back in the day, we only had 2Ds, man. 2Ds, Mars. You don't even know what 2Ds are. We're gonna figure this out. Hey, Morris. Morris,
Hmm?
come here. Morris. Morris.
I'll play an iPad.
Morris, come here. I gotta show you something.
What?
You see that? Do you see it? You see that out there? You see that? What do you see? You see what he's doing?
Hey,
You see what Craig is doing?
yeah.
What's he doing?
Watching phone.
Watching phone, yeah. Yeah, Craig's been doing that all day for like the last several days. Morris, this is an important life lesson. Morris, don't become one of them, dude. Teenagers. He's glued to his iPad. Yeah, we're on vacation. School's starting soon. Yeah, looking forward to not seeing this all day, every day. Yep, that's it. Well, Dave doesn't have a phone. No, he doesn't.
Yes, he does. We just go and pay some money for
Oh boy. Meanwhile, Sonia's complaining about Dave being on her phone for lengthy periods of time, at which I chuckle on the inside and on the outside. Because Sonia finds it appropriate that she gives teenagers phones for call girls. Yeah.
Twin sister from my
Sonia, there's a great word in the human dictionary, the English Webster somebody. You put the tongue on the top of your mouth and you make this little kissing motion with your mouth. No. You should practice it. Tongue, roof of the mouth. No. Kids don't use my phone.
Stop telling that because he used to use your phone.
Not to call girls.
Yes, he used to call girls.
No, he used to use it to call his friend.
Which one are your friend?
Amari. Your Honor, I rest my case.
I don't get to worry about money for markets.
We're on vacation. School's starting soon.
He have school starting soon and they won't be having any phone to you. So that's why
Right, we'll see. And they're going to iron their own uniforms, right?
What?
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 And the older boys are going to iron their own uniforms.
I hope so.
I hope so too. Stay tuned. Will the boys iron their own uniforms, or will somebody cave and do it for them?
I wonder what's scared you.
Morris, put the iPad down, dude.
I was watching
We're on vacation.
And then when I show them in the story for please.
Gentlemen, maybe you should go outside. Yeah. Goodbye. I know. Hi.
You can plug in like when you are 15 years.
Yeah, let's go ahead. Hours and hours of fun, man. All right, there's one more bonus. Oh, blurry. Hold on. What's up? One more thing we gotta do. We gotta take our walk to the country store, which is literally called the country store, and get a little something, a little nightcap, a little end of the adventure. Hold on. You're almost there. Almost there. Okay. Okay, bye. See ya. Anyway, yeah, we gotta go to the country store, get our end of vacation last little hurrah snack. Give the award for the best behaved kid in the entire trip. Who could that be?
Me!
You think so?
Yes.
Yeah, Josh is pretty good. I guess we'll have to have him back, huh? Sometime?
Yes.
Yeah. He likes to say yes a lot, right, Josh?
Yes.
See? All right, to the country store. Right, Josh?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, bye. Another reason is so that they can do the whole little like running thing. We're basically raising a football team, you know, just getting their exercise in. And you know, sunset's not too bad either. Right?
Hmm?
Right.
What?
Nothing.
Okay. Okay.
On the grass, yeah. Man, so there I was just picking up a snack as I do, and I found out the boys picked up their own. And you ready for the shock of the episode? Check out their snacks. Junior decided what? What'd you get? Ice cream bar, yes, with chocolate, beautiful snack. But Josh got
And you said,
an apple.
you
What?
said,
What did I
we'll
say?
get a snack and we picked up apple.
You picked up a green apple. And Josh got an apple, and Mars, what'd you get? A red apple?
Yeah.
Wow. Yeah, don't eat the sticker on the apple. But, gentlemen, I'm impressed. Apples for snack. Mm-hmm. Just don't eat the sticker, okay?
Yeah.
All right, ice cream, let's go.
Me eat it.
You better.
Eat it
Yeah,
already.
eat it. Are you serious?
Yes.
All right. Yay!
Let me see after mine.
Yeah, so we got Dave and Craig a couple cinnamon rolls, but they're gonna be okay. It's apples. Can you believe that? All right. Watch the road. Well, that's it. That is the night. That is the vacation. I mean, I'm saying goodbye, Mars. Calm down.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Come here.
No.
Come here.
No.
Come here.
No.
Come say goodbye.
No. No.
Okay, don't. Anyway, yeah, we're done with the vacation tomorrow. Headed back. We're bathroom renovations are continuing. Who knows what's going on with that? Gazebo renovations are still trucking along. Got to get some more white paints. And school is starting soon. School is starting soon. There's only one thing left to do. Guess we gotta say goodnight. Viewers, good night.
Good night, YouTubers.